Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Pointwise Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to join blocks in Pointwise. You have a lot of options for joining blocks. You can join structured blocks together. You can join unstructured blocks together. You can even join a structured block with an unstructured block, but be careful, the result of that behavior is an unstructured block. So let's give this a demo, and for fun, let's join a structured block with an unstructured block. The first step is to select your blocks. You can do this in the display window. Hold down the Control key and select the two blocks. You can also do this in the List panel. Expand the blocks tree, and hold down the Control key to select those two blocks. Now, let's go up to the Edit menu and select Join. Now, before I select this with the mouse, notice to the right there's a shortcut. Control J will also join these blocks together. I'll go ahead and select that. Note that there's only one unstructured block now, and it is fully initialized. It actually has all the 24,261 cells in it. So we have a mixture of hex cells up here, and then we have probably tetrahedrals back here. We also have some domain mixes here, right? We have some structured domains and some unstructured domains. Let's go ahead and join those and see what we can do. I'm going to turn the mask off for everything except domains. I'll select the top two domains by holding down the Control key. And instead of going through Edit, Join, I'm just going to push down Control J. Go back over here. Control J. See what happens. We have joined the two domains into one unstructured domain. It's a mixture of quads and triangles. I'm going to do this all the way around. Control J. Control J. And of course over there, Control J. All right, now we have these domains. They're all joined as well. They have this interesting mix, right, of quads and triangles. Now if I were to initialize one of these, it would make them all triangles. Let's take a look. There we go. Just makes it interesting, right? Now of course that blew away the contents of our block. It's empty and it needs to be reinitialized now. I'm just going to undo that join. Okay, now we have our cells back. It's now an initialized block again. And to complete this multi-step block joining, we're going to have to join the connectors. If you note, the connectors themselves have stayed to themselves, right? So we are going to join those right now. Control J. And let's just work our way around. Control J. Control J, and of course that one and that one, Control J. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all, and have a pleasant Tuesday.